It just takes one. That's the trouble with triples. Oh, sorry, I meant cancer stem cells. Though in all fairness, there isn't much of a difference between the two. If you've ever watched that futuristic TV show, Star Trek, the original series, you may recognize my furry alien friend here, the Tribble, and might have seen that episode where the Starship Enterprise is overrun with them. But what you may not realize is that the Tribble shares many of the same characteristics of a unique cancer cell, known as the cancer stem cell. And one of these characteristics is they both have a very high rate of reproduction. So just imagine with me that the Starship Enterprise represents your body, and the Tribble, a cancer stem cell. Just like in that classic episode, just one Tribble gets aboard the Enterprise and begins to reproduce. First, you'll start finding their offspring in places where they don't belong. Then, the systems will start to malfunction. And finally, as the number of Tribble spirals out of control, the Enterprise will start to shut down completely. This is what happens in your body when you have cancer. And it's these cancer stem cells that are able to survive the anti-cancer therapies that are given to patients with more aggressive types of cancer. These surviving cells ready to produce a whole new tumor when the conditions are right. And it just takes one. But thankfully, our parallel between the Tribble and the cancer stem cell doesn't stop there. So the Enterprise crew was able to get rid of their Tribbles by taking away what was driving their reproduction rate, their food source. In much the same way, my laboratory has discovered a way that we can kill these cancer stem cells by taking away their drive, which is DNA repair. So DNA is the blueprint for how a cell functions. If that's damaged, the cell doesn't know what to do, so it dies. Cancer stem cells are able to survive DNA damage because they have a very efficient machinery to repair it. So the goal of my PhD work has been to find the best way to target this DNA repair machinery and to shut it down for good. So far, I've identified a key protein that's part of this DNA repair machinery, knocked down this protein, and seen these cancer stem cells die. I've gotten rid of this protein in mouse models of both breast and lung cancer and seen little or no tumors develop in these mice. This, of course, makes me very optimistic that this may be a potential treatment that one day will be given to patients with more aggressive types of cancer. But of course, we still have a lot more work to do before our vision actually becomes reality. But we are making progress in our very own track to make sure that one cell doesn't ruin anyone else's life. And that's a future I'm looking forward to seeing.